So this is a helicopter step. It's a step that we've been doing in step class. It consists of 8 counts, and you start, now I'm at this end of my step, so we're not mirroring here, so I'm just giving you the exact legs that I'm leading on. If we were mirroring in a class, they would be different legs. So I'm on the left hand side of my step. I'm going to lead with my right leg. So we'll start the first half and then we'll repeat it and do the second half. So I step with my right leg and lift my left knee up. And then when you're up here, you pivot on the ball of this foot here and you turn and step down on the left leg that you had your knee up, and then you step down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. So, and again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Step with that pivot on the ball of the foot on the right leg that you've stepped on, and you lift up the left knee. So it's step, pivot, knee, turn, step down, and again. Step, knee, pivot, step down. So it's the leg you step on, which on this occasion is the right leg. You want to aim to be on the ball of your foot so that you can pivot and your foot doesn't drag. And then you lift up the left knee. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm facing that way. So it's down the length of what would be the right end of the step, facing the chair. So let's do that one more time. So that's half of the helicopter. So step, knee, step, down. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to repeat that again. So I go over onto the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Same leg that I was leading on before. So for me on this occasion, it's a right leg. Step, knee, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm now facing the opposite way, but down the length of the step. So I start, my first landing point is facing that way, and my second landing point is facing that way, and then it equates to 11 counts. So really slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, leading with the right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the same knee comes up and the same leg you lead on and you pivot on. So let's do that again. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And each landing position is different. The first time round I'm facing that way, second time round I'm facing that way. One more time. Helicopter step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you realise when you're doing it a little bit faster than we've done it there, that you need to be up on the ball of your foot so that you can pivot on it. Okay, I hope that was helpful. See you again, a little bit of revision for classes next time I see you.